Uh-huh. What did you do today?
I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought these gloves.
Where did you buy it? At the shop on 3rd Street. Was it expensive?
Here you go. It was on sale for $5.
It was a really good deal. Yes, it wasn't expensive. Can you take me there tomorrow? Do you like it? Yeah, I like it a lot. You can have that. I'll buy another one.
Are you serious? Thank you.
I'd like to order some flowers.
What flowers would you like?
Can you recommend something?
Who are they for?
They're for my wife.
A bouquet of roses would be nice.
Great choice.
Which color would you like?
I'll take the red one. Do you deliver to homes?
Yes, we do.
Great, thank you.
What's the address?
It's 25 Hill Street.
When would you like?
Any time during the day.
It'll be there within an hour.
How much is it?
It's $20. Thank you. Can I see that skirt, please?
Of course, I'll get that for you.
Here you go. How much is it?
It's $20.
Is there any discount?
Yes, buy one, get one free today.
Really? How about this one? Yes, it's popular right now.
That's nice. How much?
It's on sale for only $30.
All right, I'll take the skirt.
Which color would you like?
Yellow is fine.
There's one more.
I'll take two, a pink one and a yellow one.